now if a tree falls on top of us, it'll all be documented.
Yep, on YouTube. Oh my gosh, how much snow is already.
Wow. The title of the YouTube video will be "Stupid Kids Go Out in the Snowstorm." Wow.
In there, nice.
How do you get by this one? Wow. There you go. There's a down limb right there.
Wow, it just happened.
Yeah. People have been driving, looks like.
Awesome. If we can get back up the hill.
Oh, you'll get back up. There's one down. Whoa. That's impassable. Don't get around that. Should we try to move it?
We can try.
Okay. Get the tow strap.
No. If something else falls down on my tree, I'm trying to move it.
We gotta try. It looks like somebody backed. They tried to go. See, they turned around.
Same, go the other way. I ain't about a freeway this, am I?
Yeah. Might be four-way.
Or five-way.
Good chance to test out the all-wheel drive.
Yeah, there we go.
Wow, look how deep the snow is. It's pretty amazing. What a storm.
The brake light's going up by himself.
That's because it's... Oh, it must be the traction control system because it applies brakes when it's trying to regain grip.
Just stay on my tracks.
Good idea.
Not our crayons.
Wow. Must be what it's like living in Colorado.
Love that road.
Is that actually a road?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Oh, geez, they're going to be really busy tonight, the guys. And the power. Jeez, look at that.
Well, that might, I don't know. These ones covered. I'm gonna go down that hill. I don't think we'll make it back up.
Gotta find a way out of here in case we need to go to the hospital or something. There's one. Wow. Is that? Wow. That must have been the cause of it right there.
No, it's not even on a thing.
But the power line.
It's not on it though.
Oh. Yeah. So there's no way out of here except down that hill, huh? No way out of here either. Oh no. See if you can make it into that driveway.
I still feel I'm like
Oh. It's trying. Oh, okay. Turned off the traction control. Now it works. That was pretty cool.
It's only a little needle there.
Yeah.
Good thing there's no chance of us going into labor.
Yeah.
Well, there's one other way out of here besides down the hill.
Yeah.
That's Arrowhead.
Wow. Crazy. Alright. Tracks are covered up already. Jeez, look how deep that is. Yeah, you did bow back into that tree. We're doing all the neighbors a favor by carving out a path.
There's another tree down here.
Wow.
This says, please come home, we just look sure trees falling. All right in this truck.
Almost. Wow, look at that one. That one is falling. I guess you could sneak under that, maybe.
Yeah.
Want me to grab it? There you go. Right across the sunroof. Put your wipers back on too. Wow. Crazy. Oh, you see that?
Hey. Just a hole. There's a lot of trees down. Yeah,
Whoa.
there's lightning right now, what we're seeing. Or it might be power lines. We don't know. Yeah. We've tried to find a couple ways out of here and there's a bunch of trees on the road, so. Yep. Yeah. We'll be back just a little. We'll be back just a little bit. I think that's lightning. Okay, let me call you back. Bye. Was that lightning or?
I think, gosh, it's so bright.
Yeah.
There's a tree down. Wow. There's literally no way to get out. That is so crazy.
Can we move that one?
Yeah. We're gonna move it.